There have been an awful lot of networking technologies that have come up over the last 40 years, and most of them are gone. They're just a page out of the history book at this point because they didn't have what it took to be adaptable. And the thing about Ethernet, the beauty of Ethernet is because it was so simple, it could adapt. And it could adapt without killing itself. Everything is generating data. And the more you connect it, as Bob Metcalfe said in his law, the utility of everything goes up as the square of the number of things that are connected. Some of our people have taken to talking about, say, the car of, say, 2020, a few years down the road, as sort of a rolling data center of the kind of the connected vehicle. And we're not just limiting it to cars. We're talking about the fact that pretty much all the vehicles that we are going to be encountering in our lives, they're going to be connected in some way. And Ethernet is going to be, as it always is, it's going to be the wired backbone in there that carries all this traffic. There's another gigantic group of new bandwidth consumers that are going to come online that the whole ecosystem is going to have to support that. I mean, it's exciting, frankly, to think about. Again, Ethernet is an enabling technology. We do something that enables a whole new class of problems. That Ethernet has gone from being a local area network to connect workstations, PCs together, to a thing that's used by the top level carriers to carry the internet traffic around the world. It's used in data centers, it's used in backplanes of servers and scientific computers. I mean, it's everywhere, and we've been able to do it without having to break what Ethernet is. We just do a new physical layer transceiver, and we're off to the races. We're the open networking standard. We can network anything. And I think that is why it's been successful and why it's going to keep being successful. I fully expect that after we're long gone, hopefully 40 years from now when they're celebrating the 80th anniversary of this, they'll be having essentially the same conversation, okay? And they'll still be looking at new innovations, and they'll still be talking about how it's going into new places. And I really think that's true.